to this video. My name is Hannes, and in this video I want to show you tricks that make your guitar sound way more advanced, more special, and the cool thing about it, as the title says it already, easy. The thing is, the guitar is a very cool instrument. I mean, you already knew that before, but at certain spots you can just shift stuff up and down the neck and it sounds so special, so cool, without you doing anything special actually in your fretting hand or whatever. So let me show you some really cool tricks that will make the audience in your living room or wherever you're just playing will make like, oh wow, what's that? Show me what you do there. Sounds beautiful. Okay, before we start out, please make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description. Tons of cool stuff there, no strings attached or anything like this, just totally free. Check it out. I will love to see you there too. So now let's check out what we can do to make you sound more advanced without breaking your fingers. I just played in the intro an A major chord, but in a more special version. I don't know if you've ever played it in that way, but it's fairly easy actually. Ring finger goes into the 7th fret of the D string, middle finger in the 6th fret of the G string, and the index finger goes into the 5th fret of the B string. And then you play all strings, but you leave out the low E string, okay? So it's A, D, G, B, and E string. And when you now just shift that shape 2 frets up each finger, the same shape, 2 frets up, you get a B major over A. Over A means in the lowest note is still our open A string, but I just shift the chord A major up 2 frets, which means B flat major, B major. Okay, and this sounds just beautiful. A major, B major over A, A major, B major over A. Actually, this is a B major 11 because the E, the open high E string, is the note E is the 11 in the B major chord. And when you shift that up 3 more frets, going to the 3, 12, 10th, 11th and 10th fret, then you have a D major chord over A. Actually, it's a D added 9 over A. Also beautiful. And if we combine them, A, B, and D over A, you might know that from a song, something like this. I don't know, a famous band from England from the 60s did something similar, I think. And you can shift that kind of like everywhere on the neck. It might sound a little bit odd if you just shift it up half a step, but also it's a little bit crazy. Always when it sounds dissonant or weird, I mean, just go down or up half a step and you will be just fine. You get the idea? Check it out. Down a half step, another half step, another half step down, oh, another half step down, better again. Back to A, B, D, and then 2 frets down again to a C over A. Also sounds beautiful. And the cool thing about this is you can actually do that with most of the chords, you know. When you have open chords also like D major, for example, shift it up 2 frets each finger. 1 more fret, 2 2 more frets. This sounds just beautiful. And you can do that with E major, for example. Just 1 fret up, back to E. This is so much fun just to play around and make your guitar sound so advanced and so professional in a way. I mean, there's just a simple strumming pattern I just played. It was just down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. You get the idea. It's more about kind of like groove and just shifting the chord up the neck, getting into a fight with the open strings you're still playing, and at some points they create just this beautiful dissonance which you can solve into just moving up or down the neck. A half step, for example, but it's just so much fun to do. You can do that, as I told you, with A, with D, with E. You can even do it with C chord. Sometimes it's really not nice, but just shift it up the neck and you will find a solution. Up or down. So this is a good thing to practice your hearing, to just open up and break out of this same old stuff you always play, and be creative on the guitar on your own. Do something that you created, not someone else. So I hope you had fun with this lesson here. You took something out of it, and just pick up your guitar now. Have fun with it, with the same old chords you always play, and just shift them up and down on the neck and just have fun and just create those beautiful sounds. Before you click away, check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description. I would love to see you there too. Bye bye. My name is Hannes. See you there. Bye.